Every business has its own set of strategies and processes to accomplish goals and optimize operations. With this in mind, designing workflows that can organize and prioritize tasks should not be a complicated activity to perform. So, having a complete set of templates for charts, workflows, diagrams, and graphs would be a tremendous asset to count on from the start. In this video, we will present to you Moqups, a platform that lets you generate several visual products to support a variety of projects, such as dashboards, mind maps, prototypes, mockups, and many other tools to express your goals to your team. So, stick around to discover how great this tool can be for you and your business. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. When presenting your company's business strategy, you can choose from various templates. It's time to retire spreadsheets and PowerPoint slides in favor of Moqups, a more efficient way to organize and visualize data. Also, Moqups templates are made to fit your needs, and each template includes a short guide explaining why you should use it and how to use it. Product roadmaps are a great way to achieve business goals. They show you where your product is headed and how much labor it will take to get there. Release roadmap templates, for example, clearly demonstrate the phases and tasks required to release a new product or service. This keeps the project team on the same page. However, Moqups Gantt chart templates can help you with several parts of your business plan. Whether you're doing strategic planning, research, or prepping for a release, a Gantt chart template can help you organize your tasks. Moqups allows you to make stunning charts and graphs. Moqups Online Graph CR Editor helps business analysts find, clarify, and communicate significant opportunities to address pressing business challenges. Data visualization can show surprising trends in your performance indicators and make complex information accessible to your team. Moqups can quickly create pie and donut charts, bar and line charts, and more. Your team can use Moqups Online Chart Builder to explore data in new ways. You can use any templates to quickly create realistic visualizations and business data dashboards. Your team will use the same tool to create charts as wireframes and prototypes. With Moqups' simple interface, teams can quickly create sophisticated dashboards and visualizations using chart templates. In addition, Moqups fosters meaningful cooperation by bringing together people with diverse talents and expertise. Moqups Online Chart Builder is one example of how organizations can combine their expertise and involve all stakeholders in the visualization process. Your team can develop assets, visualize anything, and store all standards and criteria with one app. Moqups has a large selection of templates, and this flowchart stencil collection makes creating any type of design a breeze. With diagram extenders, expanding a flow is as simple as pressing a keyboard key. Your team can quickly modify symbols, style connectors, and switch ends as they customize your data flow diagrams, process maps, org charts, network designs, and many more. Diagrams, in whatever form, are essential to a project's success, and they're not just for the planning stage. At every stage of development and implementation, your team can turn to them for reference, assistance, and documentation. A customizable diagram template can also provide a solid basis for your team to work from as the project progresses. On the other hand, flowcharts can be as varied as the individuals who make them and the purposes for which they're used, including brainstorming and ideation, information architecture, data management, business process modeling, structural analysis, process engineering, and more. So your team can use flowchart templates to grasp best practices for each use case quickly, and then customize them to their own needs. You will be able to customize wireframe and mockup templates developed just for your business. The sole emphasis of UX wireframes, which reflect the basic structure of any web page, is on the size, placement, and relationship of critical interface elements. As a result, wireframes assist your team in making crucial decisions early in the development process about user flow, information hierarchy, and page density. Furthermore, simple forms and lorem ipsum lettering are lo-fi placeholders for future design features. That way, you can experiment freely, alter the template, build consensus, and expose crucial requirements well before you think about branding intricacies. UI mockup templates can assist your team in gathering vital feedback early in the design process, ultimately leading to fully interactive prototypes and design testing. You can also rapidly create a high-resolution preview of your future app or website by customizing one of the many pre-made themes. Therefore, your team will be able to demonstrate the final design's appearance, feel, and emotional impact. and get approval from key stakeholders before it goes live. In short, the Moqups wireframe builder offers ready-to-use templates to help you launch and maintain your projects at any stage. As you have seen, Moqups is an ideal tool to create all the necessary visual products to show your plans and objectives successfully, so you and your team can have a clear path and increase your business's productivity. If you want to use Moqups services, you can do so by clicking the link in the description. Also check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers. And don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.